Once upon a time, not too far away, CBS Bahamas was born. The year was 1973, and CBS stood before the Bahamas with the promise of becoming the nation's one-stop shop for home building and improvement, from bathroom nuances to paint, windows, doors, and kitchen cabinets. CBS was quickly crowned king by its customers. CBS Bahamas is one of the country's leading home centers, and your proud one-stop shop when bringing your new home to life. CBS is a leading supplier and installer of architectural building products, ready to equip your home with the perfect windows and doors. CBS's goal is to make your life and home build stress-free, so you can live happily ever after in the palace of your dreams, with impeccable quality and a price match guarantee. Feel empowered to live happily ever after with CBS. Build beautiful.